guys, welcome back to my channel. And I know that it has been really long that I've uploaded something. I have been after Arvind to shoot a New Year resolution. Now New Year's has gone past. Let us see. We might have a mid-year resolution video. You never know. Why I have come in today is because I have done this before, but I'm doing this for just the second time, and it helped me a lot. I cut down on a lot of bills. So this is going to be a fun video. At the same time, I would like you all to comment below and tell me how you all enjoyed it. Before we get into any details, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. What we are planning to do today in this video is I'm planning to cut my own hair. So I have done this before. I have done it multiple times, but I have never got the correct style or the correct length. But the last time I did it, I somehow managed to just hit the bullseye. I had my correct fringe, I had the correct height of my hair, and hence what I decided to do is, since I had done this like about in the month of August, in the month of August, so now I guess it is time for me to give myself a trim or a style since my hair has just randomly grown. Disclaimer: this is not what I'm doing today is not at all suggested by any hairstylists or hairdressers. I just do it because I enjoy doing different things to myself, and it is like I'm breaking a lot of rules that they actually ask you to follow. So if you want a professional haircut video, kindly go and refer to professional hairstylists for it. There are many videos online now due to the lockdown which talk about haircuts and hairstylings at home. So what I'm going to do today is that I have got a complete length and a fringe, a little bit of a fringe. So yeah, let's just get into the video and see how I am going to be doing it. Now to begin with, I have not washed my hair. That is one thing that they tell you to always do, but I have not done it. But I have a little bit of sticky hair and I want to do an asymmetric layer. So I'm not getting too much into it. What I will do is, after brushing and getting rid of all the knots in my hair, I'm just going to take all my hair ahead. I might look a little funny when I do it, so please don't mind. Now after taking all my hair ahead, I'm going to just tie a rubber band and right now if you see, my hair is just about below my nose. So I'm going to just pull this down and again level it together. Hopefully I've taken all my hair, tie it into a ponytail. Then I will take another rubber band and tie it up there, and I will pull it, say just below my nose or at my nose. Now this hasn't grown too long, as you can see, and I'm going to just top off onto this part of it. Like you can see, I have leveled it up almost. Please do not forget to switch off the fan when you're doing all this, because hair can get messy. Now, after doing this, I still don't have the length that I want generally. So what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to take a broad tooth comb and I'm going to partition my hair right in the center. Let me brush my hair so I get rid of the knots. So I take it at the nose level, partition it right at the center. Now in this I plan to take a little bit of help I know you can see a lot of my grays, but I guess that's what we flaunt, don't we? So this is like almost right at the center. And I'm going to take help here and partition it behind on the same line. So Arvind, can you please come and help me to partition my hair behind? No, you have to take this line and go all the way behind like this. I take this and have I taken all my hair?
No. No, you're taking all it.
And I tie a rubber band here, like how we used to do the school ponytails. I do the same here.
No, it's good. Print it.
Okay, so I put a rubber band here. Now assuming that the back part is a straight line, what I do is I just pull this down here and pull this down here and bring this together. So when you bring the rubber bands together, you get a basic idea of the length, and you take a pair of scissors and you chop it off. So I have chopped this. And how do I look?
Ball.
Now just wait. So you dust off all the hair and
Good haircut.
this is how your hair look, which is an asymmetric layer. What I plan to do is I plan to just wash my hair off and show you all the end result of how my hair do look. Right now my hair look very sticky, and yes, I have got rid of a lot of my hair, but once you see it washed and fluffed out, you will come to know that I have managed to give myself a kind of a layer which is asymmetric. So let's go for the after shower look of my hair. So bye. So guys, I'm just out of the shower, like you can make out with my outfit and my hair. I'm going to dry my hair and show you all how this look actually looks at the end. So for this kind of a haircut, what I do generally is I just flip my hair and dry it outwards. So then I get the correct layer, out curl layers over here. So I just grab my hairbrush, flip my hair and brush it down. So guys, the 2-3 things that I would like to tell is I don't style dry my hair very often. Very special occasions I style dry them. Otherwise I just do a blast dry where I just basic dry my hair. I don't like dry them really dry. I just do this much and then I leave it to air dry as and when. So this is the look that has come. I don't know if you can notice too much of a difference, but this time, last time when I had cut my hair, my fringe had come out very short because I had taken the level up to my nose. I was so fed up of having long hair that I had literally taken the leveling till my nose. This time I have taken it a little below my nose, so my fringe length according to me is correct. Why I am saying it is correct is it does not disturb. And since we do a lot of work and it's difficult to manage one hair coming on your eye all the time, that is why this length works perfect for me. So I can just pull it out when I want and I can just tuck it behind my ear whenever I do. So this is my hair cut my hair styling. And yes, I guess this was my after a lot of experimenting, I came up with this kind of cutting in the house, and I'm very happy that I learned it because, like I said, I could save up a lot of parlor bills. Also, I have never found like a hair salon that has given me like an amazing haircut till now. Few of them were there down the road, but then every time there was something or the other that would make my hair look like very weird, which I was not very comfortable. But this, since I do it myself, the excitement of doing it myself is there. Along with that, I feel that yes, it does come out well. I have gone very short. You guys can like keep whatever length that you all want. Basically, just split it in the center and make two ponytails. If you have really long hair, you can have extra two rubber bands to like measure the exact length wherever you want to cut it off, and cut it below the rubber band, never above it, because then it starts to split. All your hairs like start to fly everywhere. Switch off the fan every time you cut your hair, because trust me, nobody wants to clean that mess because it's very, very messy. And I guess that's about it. This is my new look, and I hope you guys liked it. So if you like it, and if you would like me to experiment, show you all more of the experiments that I do a lot of them. You can like, share and subscribe to my channel. Put it in the comments if there's something weird that you would like me to try, because I have done almost all the weird under the sun. So like, share, subscribe, keep smiling.